An elephant race. Do you know what this means? Elefantenrennen is a funny way to refer to a truck trying to take over another truck on the highway. Let's look at an example. Oh nein, Elefantenrennen vor uns. So now we all have to wait. No hate for truck drivers though, I know they can't drive faster. Would you like to see more content like this? Like and subscribe now, it really helps me out. Thank you! Do you always know if it is der, die or das? No? Well, you're not alone. Get my free guide on the German articles. Just comment German or the German flag emoji. See you there!